I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the core units and gathering tools. This prevents guessing later. Once done, place the object against the tape with 0 aligned and read the nearest division. Use 1/16 when possible. Make sure to record inches and fractions separately because you will add or convert them soon. You need a stable surface and consistent posture, otherwise repeated measures will vary. Finally, note any baseline offsets so future conversions stay accurate and repeatable. You now perform the core conversions and precise reads. First, convert by multiplying or dividing with known factors. Cancel units as you go to avoid mistakes. When fractions appear, convert them to a common denominator before adding. This keeps your math tidy. For liquids, pour to the meniscus at eye level and read FL/Oz or cups. For temperature, use Fahrenheit and note if a conversion to Celsius is required later. Once the detailed measurements are recorded, double-check arithmetic before proceeding. You finish by applying the validated measurements to your project and recording each value clearly. Make cuts or orders using the documented inches and tolerances. If you need to scale, convert feet to inches first to avoid fractional errors. Once installed, verify fit and function against the recorded numbers. If something goes wrong, stop and remeasure. Re-zero the tool, measure the same dimension twice, and use a different instrument to confirm. That single troubleshooting step will catch most systematic errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.